Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by declaring commitment. Agree to a focused repair window and suspend ultimatums. Once agreed, set a daily 15-30-minute check-in to share feelings and logistics. You also list non-negotiables and immediate hurts to address first, prioritize safety and respect. Make sure each person writes one willingness statement, what you will change. This early structure creates containment so emotions don't derail progress. It also signals mutual intent and makes the next practical steps possible. You now dissect recurring cycles, map triggers, habitual reactions, and their consequences. Once done, add one communication rule: pause, reflect, respond, and practice it in low-stakes moments so it becomes automatic. You schedule weekly repair tasks, a sincere apology, a specific restitution action, and a concrete rebuilding step that shows change. Make sure to track progress with brief notes after each interaction. This systematic repetition weakens old patterns and reinforces new behaviors, producing measurable shifts over weeks. You finish by consolidating gains. Schedule a 3-month review with objective indicators like daily check-ins, kept 80% of days, and reduced heated conflicts. Once done, agree on a fallback plan, counselor, mediator, or a short cooling period, so setbacks don't become endings. Make sure to celebrate small wins and convert promises into routines. If contempt or stonewalling returns, reset the process immediately. Pause, re-establish safety, revisit willingness statements, and bring in a neutral third party as needed to prevent regression.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.